guys, welcome back to my How To Tuesdays. This one's a little bit different because I'm doing a voiceover and it's a nail video. So here's all the products I'm going to use. I'm going to show you guys how I put on my press-on nails. So first step is to prep your nails. I first like to make sure they're all clean. So I just take my little nail cleaner and I clean out all the gunk that's underneath them. Next, I file them down. You want to make sure that your real nails are shorter than your false nails, otherwise they'll be peeking through. And make sure to get the sides of your nails down as well because those can peek through the most. After I file them down, I like to go back in with my little nail cleaner and get out all of the loose nail that I just filed off because some can tend to get under them once I'm finished. Next, I take some cuticle oil. This one is from NCLA. I will link everything down below. And yeah, I like to make sure my cuticles are nice and moisturized because I'm going to go ahead and cut them off. And it's so much easier to trim them when they're nice and soft. This is actually called a cuticle nipper. At least that's what Amazon says. So I just go ahead and cut off all of my cuticles because that will make them look way more real when you put your false ones on if those are gone, and no one wants them hanging around anyways. The final thing I do for my cuticles, just to make sure they're all pushed down, is I just push them down with this little tool that I have. You can find these tools at any drugstore. So just in case I miss any cuticles or just can't get any off, I just push them all down. Now for the press-on nails parts, I get these off of Amazon. You can get 3 different shapes, I believe. These ones are the oval ones. They have a more square one and a square ovalish one. I kind of wish I got the square oval one, but I wanted to try the oval ones because I haven't tried them yet. First, I like to pick out all the ones that fit my actual nails. It's much easier to do it this way because then you can just lay them all out and they're ready to go instead of picking through them while you have fake nails on. It can be really difficult. So I like to pick mine all out and lay them out before I apply them. The kit comes with glue. I think I mentioned that already. You can either put it directly onto your real nail or onto the back of the press-on. I like to put it on the press-on nail because it makes it so much easier for me and I can be a little bit more precise. So when you're putting it on, you're going to want to shove it right up against where your cuticle was. It makes it look so much more like your real nail when you do it that way. And then I just go ahead and press on the rest of my nail, make sure all the glue is hitting my real nail so it doesn't pop off or is lifted up in any areas. And then that is a side by side, my stubby little boy nail and my false one. When you get press-on nails, they have this little piece of plastic right at the top of the nail, so I just like to file that little dot down so they look nice and smooth. Any spots I mess up on, I just file them down. Sometimes I don't get glue on my whole entire nail, so they'll bump up a little bit, so I'll just file them down. The maximum hold glue that this nail kit comes with is so much stronger than their other glue, so you have to work really, really fast with it. Otherwise, it can just dry too fast and end up making mistakes like mine had. So now it's time to paint the nails. I'm using this gel polish from Wet n Wild, one of my favorites nail polishes ever. You can obviously use any polish that you want to use, or you can do designs. I'm not talented enough to do any designs, so I didn't do those. Or you can put on some dried flowers or jewels, anything you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and paint mine today. Then once the paint is dry, I go in with a top coat. I did 2 coats of nail polish, by the way. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my nails with this last step. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what How To Tuesday you want to see next. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!